Hello, we're here to speak about the new RF and microwave power meter system from Tektronix. There's three series, the 3000 series, the 4000, and the 5000 series. The 3000 series is a true average RMS power meter. It operates between 10 meg and 26.5 gig. The PSM 4000 series operates between 10 meg and 20 gigahertz, but it is a pulse measurement system. So it's a pulse power meter, but it also provides average measurements. The 5000 series operates between 50 megahertz and 20 gigahertz, and what it does, it adds to the 4000 the feature of being able to do pulse profiling. So a couple important features to understand about these before we get into the user interface and setup is, number one, you can see that you connect via USB to your computer. These two SMB connectors are for trigger in and trigger out. So I can use this power meter to not just measure power, but I can use it to trigger another instrument, or I can use another instrument to trigger it to make its measurements. The most important feature is highlighted here in yellow, and that is this instrument does not need to be zeroed or calibrated. So anybody who's ever used power meters knows that that's a very time intensive process. It can take 4 to 5 minutes or 20 minutes depending upon the sensor you have. And you're always kind of wondering, is it actually calibrated properly? So no zeroing or calibrated required. Okay, so here's our user interface, and of course this resides on the PC. Very simple setup. Currently I have a 1 gigahertz tone CW signal applied to the sensor, and this is a PSM 3000 series. You'll notice that it defaults to CW because that's all it can measure. And what we're going to do to set this up very simply is we're going to first choose the frequency. Notice it says that it's at 8 gigahertz. We don't have to calibrate or zero this sensor, but my signal is at 1 gigahertz, and so it does have calibration tables built in. You'll notice that the measurement changed by about 0.3 of a dBm. So first, when setting up your sensor, of course, make sure it's CW or pulse if you're using a 4000 or 5000. Set the frequency so the calibration tables are correct. And then go to your triggering menu and make sure that you're set to internal continuous. Here we go. And so here we're getting an accurate average RMS power meter off of this CW tone